Hi friends, this is the second part of second class we have taken regarding research proposal. We have taken up to the background of conduct of research proposal. Now we can go for research problem. Research problem is the backbone of a research or even the research proposal, because for which we are preparing the research proposal and the research, this is the core. Say for example, if I am studying about the water security of a region, the core research problem is the water security, so that I should consider the water scarcity is there, the sources of water there, what are the problems facing by the people there regarding this water scarcity. Everything should be considered. The making of a research problem, we may think that it is the easiest thing. It is not like that. Preparing a research problem is the most toughest task in a research. For that, we should have a thorough knowledge of the research problem. Otherwise, when we are going deep in our research, we may feel that this is not a big problem. It is very essential to focus on creating a research problem. As it is a big topic, I think it is better to take in another class. We can skip the research problem for now and we can continue other components of research proposal. After identifying a research problem, the next component is significance of research. The significance of a research means why we are studying this problem. So, why is the question tag? There may be various factors. Say for example, if I am studying about the water scarcity of a region, there are different factors influencing the water scarcity. So I should explain why I am studying the water scarcity in that particular region. That is its significance. Maybe that area has lot of population, the population density may be high. So studying a water scarcity in that region is very essential. Sometimes it is because of the slope of the land, the water is not able to store. So we should highlight that because of that or this particular factor or this ignorant factor, water scarcity is occurring in that region. Like that, we should highlight the significance of our study. Then comes the objectives. What is this objective? Already we have a research problem. Then why we are going for objectives? In reality, objectives are the subgroup of or subdivision of the main problem. For easiness of our study, we will divide the main problem into different subparts and we will study it separately. These subparts are called objectives. The example for objective, I will take the same example of water scarcity. I can add an objective as to identify the hotspot of water scarcity zone. I can identify different sources of water there and different areas of water scarcity like underground water, surface water, wherever it is, I can identify that also. To analyze the water potential area of that region, like different objectives we can select based on our research problem. If I say the example of mobile phone, I can say the objective as to identify the best specification for videos, to identify the best specification for audios, to identify the best suitable memory for video taking. These are all purely based on my research or my requirements. After identifying the research objectives, we will go for research methodology. Research methodology helps to strengthen your database, help to strengthen your analysis part. It is actually the way through which you are going to reach your target. If you are starting a journey to particular destination, there should be a way, precise way we have to follow, right? There will be particular roadway or particular railway through which we will go, and after reaching some part we will shift to another way or another mode of transportation and reach the final destination. Likewise, we should have certain data, certain type of database, certain type of analysis, certain type of analysis applications or analysis software we will follow. So all this comes under research methodology. What are the methods you are going to apply? After this methodology, the another important part is reference. Reference, you should include all the reviews you have made. Addressing the authors, for the publishers, you should add everything in your reference. Ignoring reference for the reviews you have made means you are plagiarized. It is very essential to provide the reference of your research paper you have reviewed, the journals you have reviewed, the articles you have reviewed, the books you have reviewed, even the web pages you have reviewed. These are the major components of a research proposal. In the next class, I will teach you how to formulate a research problem. Thank you for listening to this class.